Hey, hi friends and welcome to my channel again the coding playground. तो आज अब तक के ट्यूटोरियल्स में गाइस हम लोग ये डेटा टाइप्स कवर कर चुके हैं, कीवर्ड्स कर चुके हैं और कीवर्ड्स में हमने कांस्टेंट एंड फाइनल वेयर वी कवर्ड. ओके, एंड इन दिस वीडियो बेसिकली वी विल कवर अबाउट कंट्रोल फ्लो एंड इफ स्टेटमेंट्स. ओके, सो कंट्रोल फ्लो स्टेटमेंट्स में पहले हम ऑपरेटर्स की बात करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स कीप्स इन द कमेंट्स पार्ट. ओके, ऑपरेटर्स की बात करेंगे एंड ऑपरेटर्स में फर्स्ट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द अरिथमेटिक. ओके, सो इन अरिथमेटिक बेसिकली व्हाट वी विल कवर. In arithmetic basically we will cover these are basically arithmetic operators: minus, comma, into, okay, plus, division, and then R comes modular, okay, which is also called remainder. Okay, or we can say modular equality. So this we can say to this, and or what is remainder basically. Remainder is basically remainder the value which remains after division operation. Okay, this is basically our remainder, and after this we have our relational operators. Okay, so these are basically our less than, greater than, less than equals to, comma, greater equals to, and equals to, and what we can say not operator, not equals to. Okay, and this can be as, comma, as not, and we have as okay, that's I remember right now. And so basically in this video we will talk about the arithmetic operators. Okay, and then we will move to the relational operators in next video. So let's see like how we can basically perform this arithmetic operation. So basically two operators basically used basically on operands. So we require some operands. Operands can be operands. If I say these are the kind of variables. Okay, if I in a simple way if I'm say. So operands like if I want to perform an arithmetic operation, so definitely I required number type of value. So number can be of type integer or can be a double type. Okay, so suppose now I wanted to perform a operation of arithmetic. So I have created two variable that of int type right now, int, or suppose a num type. That will be easier because here we will consider a double or integer type value. So there is a variable of a. Okay, and here I assign a value 10 and I create num of num, the b variable, the type of num. Here I assign 20, and I want to perform here add operation. Okay, so what I need to do, basically I'm directly printing the value, so I need to add both the value a plus b. So which operator I need to use? Plus 1. I know guys, this is very simple, but those who don't started the programming, don't know the basic math, then for those for whom basically this video will be so helpful. So, and those who already know, they can skip this part. I know there are lots of experienced developer who know about all the thing. And suppose now I am doing that minus. So same we have to do this, and suppose sorry, okay, minus, and now I'm doing plus multi. Okay, so in multi case, what we need to do? We need to basically, now we have to change the sign. And same if I am do for a the division, so that we in a short say div. Okay, and for division basically they have to change the basically greater value to small. Okay, and same here is modular or remainder. Okay, so same if I am going to do here, so I need to basically use that remainder sign, ampersand sign basically we say. So let's print the value. So see, all the values coming here. Okay, so this is the arithmetic operation basically. I hope you like the video. This is a short video, and I know like everybody know about this arithmetic operation and they can do easily, but as I am covering the basic part of the Dart, so yeah, I'll cover all